Hi everybody, this is Laura, City Scrapper. Today I have an unboxing of the My Creative Scrapbook limited edition kit for February. First I'll show you the papers and then I'll show you all the other items that are in the kit this month. The majority of the papers are from the 49 and Market Vintage Artistry Naturalist collection, and there are a lot of butterflies and florals, and I am looking forward to showing them to you. So here's the first piece of pattern paper, and I just love that in the background there's this lace impression, and then on the back is a beautiful B-side with some flowers in the background, some birds. Very pretty. This next paper has, again, butterflies, florals, and on the back is this beautiful, I guess that's a coral colored paper. Great for backgrounds. I think this one is just stunning. I definitely feel like I'll be using this as a background. But on the other side, there are some beautiful butterflies, so that's going to be kind of hard to decide which side to use on that one. Here's another beautiful paper that could be used as a wonderful background with a beautiful yellow stripe on the B side. And then here we go, yet another beautiful floral and butterfly embellished paper. And on the back, this beautiful green. And then here is a cut apart. I feel like this will be perfect for layers. And on the back is a beautiful paper that kind of reads like a solid, but as usual with 49 and Market, has some gorgeous variation and pattern to it. Very light pattern, but it's gorgeous. We also got a piece of paper from the Vintage Artistry Essentials collection, and I love the way this goes perfectly with the papers in the kit. It has butterflies and florals on it, and this will be great, I think, for using for cutting apart, and using to back things, and making maybe some strips. And then, of course, the other side is gorgeous as well. We also got this sheet of paper from Photoplay, and this, again, coordinates beautifully with the other papers in the collection. And that's the B side of the Photoplay paper. Now we also got two other sheets, kind of bonus sheets here. We got this 6 by 12 inch strip and this, I think it's 6 by 12 inch. Let's measure it. Yep, it's 6 inches by 12 inches, and this will be a great piece of paper to use in conjunction with the other papers. And then here are some papers. I think this will be perfect for layering pieces or embellishments on the page. So lots to work with as far as papers. We also get this 49 and Market punch out sheet, and you could see from this punch out that these punch out very easily. I remember years ago having punch out sheets and it took me so long to punch out the pieces, but these come out very easily, and you can see this large, look at this beautiful die cut of a window. This has come out, but you could see that underneath it there's lots of florals, butterflies, a bow, a nice lace looking strip, birds, and I absolutely love florals, so I'm really looking forward to using these. And I absolutely love a bird on my layout, a bird or two, so I love that. And then on the other side, oh, I love this wood frame. It's like a birch frame perhaps. And then again, more of these strips and a few sentiments and lots of florals, butterflies, another bird. These are just gorgeous. I love those. And then on top of that, and again, I'm sorry for crinkling, but we get this set. This is the Ephemera Pack that goes with the papers. And I'll show you on the back, these are all of the pieces that we get in this set or in this pack, but I just can't help taking them out and showing you at least some of them. So I love the way there are titles. I love having titles included in ephemera packs. And there are frames. There are tickets, tabs. You could see that there are sentiments. These little sentiments can be used to embellish some banners. Another ticket. Here are all of these tabs, tickets, sentiments, banners. I love these. And then we also, I'm just going through them fast. I know that there's a lot more here, but I just wanted to give you an idea of what was in this pack. I think it would take a long time to show you everything. We also get a postcard, or actually 2 postcards, and some more layering pieces in the background. So there's actually lots of them. You get so much in these 49 and market sets. I absolutely love using these, and there's so much to choose from. So I'm just going to make a little pile of that, and I hope you saw enough of that to get an idea of what we get. And then also, I feel that 49 and Market always gives you something that you can use in the packaging. So I definitely feel that I will be using this piece of, I guess it's like a cardstock, on one of my pages. We got a stencil this month. It looks to me like it's a Vicky Bouton stencil. I could be wrong, but it is awfully pretty and goes perfectly with the pattern papers. It has lots of flowers in it and a lot of greenery. So I think that this would be awesome to use on some of those pattern papers. And in addition to that, we also got a stamp set this month, a Bo Bunny. It's called a Happiness Blooms stamp set. And there's this beautiful floral frame, I guess you could call it. And then there's a lot of other little florals, buds, and small floral stamps as well. And that's, of course, there's this circle with sentiments on it. Oh, love that. And then finally, my favorite part of of any My Creative Scrapbook limited edition kit, which is the dimensional flowers. These are all 49 and Market flowers, and you could see that again they match beautifully with the collections. With the collection, with the pattern papers, and you can see that there are lots of different sizes of flowers. I love having smaller flowers to go with the larger ones. So I love that there's this set of medium and small white flowers, and then within these sets there's also some smaller flowers, and then also, of course, some of the beautiful large ones as well. So that is the limited edition kit for this month. I hope that this was helpful to you, and I hope to see you again soon. Take care, everybody. Bye-bye.